Hi! In this video, we will see how to use Astera ReportMiner's field verification option to verify proper capture of data fields in a data region. It does so by checking if any non-blank character is present adjacent to the instances of data fields. In this case, we have a report model with data regions and data fields defined. With this sample file, we can see that from the row 28 onwards for the description and quantity columns, and row 22 onwards for the line total column, the data fields do not properly contain the data. In files containing much larger amounts of data, it would not be possible to find such discrepancies. With the data region selected, click on the Start Field Verification icon in the toolbar above the designer. Field verification checks for any non-blank character adjacent to an instance for a data field to determine a discrepancy. All the data fields having discrepancies in their data points are marked with a warning sign in the Model Layout panel for the selected data region. Select the data field, description, and click on the previous and next icons in the toolbar above the designer to traverse among the discrepant instances for this particular data field. ReportMiner also specifies below the designer, for each instance of the data field, where the discrepancy has occurred. You can click on the Auto Adjust All Fields icon on the toolbar above the designer to fix the discrepancies in the data fields for the selected region. This option has adjusted the lengths of the data fields in the selected data region to contain the complete data in each data point. In cases where two data fields are adjacent to one another, manually adjust the length of the data field to avoid inconsistencies. Field verification still gives warnings on row 29 for the unit price and line total fields. It suggests that there is a non-blank character on the right of the unit price field. In this case, the character is part of the line total field. We can uncheck the Verify Right Boundary option in the Field Verification section of the Field Properties panel for unit price and vice versa for line total, and ReportMiner will ignore the adjacent non-blank characters. These Verify Left and Right Boundary checkboxes allow the user to ignore the verification in cases when the adjacent character does not belong to the instance of a data field. This concludes our discussion on how to use field verification in Astera ReportMiner. For more information, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching this video.